Wow, this is a cute meme token. I want to buy this meme token. So I click copy the address, and paste it into tokensniffer.com. So now we have a technical analysis, so we can be sure that there's no risk except the risk of everyone selling. And we can see here some links, when it was deployed, the value, and there we have a overall analysis, which begins with the honeypot check. Honeypot is when you buy in and can't sell, which is very bad, so this is green, all good. Buy sell fee, which means that once you buy or sell, a certain percentage gets extracted, 0%, all good. Sometimes this may be useful, but when there's a tax, I would do my own research on how the tax is used. Okay, then we have the contract analysis. Very important that the ownership is renounced, so there's no owner that can change the contract. It's forever on the blockchain, doing what it says it does, yeah, and it can't be changed. So there's no owner. That's very important. Okay, holder analysis. There we see if holders own more than 5% of the supply. So the creator, 0%, all good, and we see one of the holders holds more than 5%, and it's exactly 5%. In the case of Maxwell the cat, there's one holder that holds exactly 5%. Nothing more, nothing less. So that's okay. In my view, 5% is not dangerous or whatever, in my opinion. Liquidity analysis is the analysis of the liquidity pool, which consists of two currencies that can be swapped around. In this case, it's ETH and CAT. And once you provide liquidity, you get liquidity provider token. So they prove that you provide liquidity, and with these tokens you can get your liquidity always back. So there's a rug potential that if you provide liquidity, you can always rug the liquidity. So it's important that these liquidity provider tokens are either burned or locked. Burned means they are sent to a burn address where they are deleted, and locked means they are locked in a time lock smart contract. This metric says for at least 15 days. In the case of Maxwell the cat, it's far more. It's actually over 1,000 years. So all good. And with that, we can say it's Seifu and there's no technical risk. The only risk is everyone sells and it goes to zero. The one that owns 5% is no risk, in my opinion. No rug potential, so risk is always involved. And yeah, stay safe, do your own research, no financial advice.